Stop wasting money on printing before you lose your shirt. Businesses bleed money on printing every year without even knowing it, and the top 5 money wasters are going to shock you. Last year, an Oklahoma City company was overpaying for paper, not checking their print settings, using brand name cartridges, printing single-sided, and not maintaining their printer. They lost thousands over the year. But once they fixed these 5 mistakes, they started saving money, and you can do the same. Mistake 1 is buying cheap paper. It may seem like a smart idea to buy the cheapest paper to save money, but that $5 paper is going to cost you a lot more once your printer jams constantly, and you're reprinting everything twice. Cheap paper often uses cheaper dyes that cause the paper to stick together, which creates those pesky printer jams. It also wastes ink and toner because the cheap dyes react differently, requiring extra effort from your printer to get a good print. Instead, try to stick with a higher quality paper. It's better for your printer and your bottom line. Mistake 2 is not checking your print settings. Are you printing everything in color when 80% of it should be black and white? Color ink costs 10 times more than black. To save money, change your default settings to black and white and only use color for what you need. To make it easier to remember, set up a separate black and white document profile that you can easily access so you don't forget to switch every time. Mistake 3 is a real jaw dropper. You're buying brand name cartridges when the off-brand stuff works just as well. A Canon cartridge costs $60, but the compatible version costs $15. And here's the kicker. It's the same quality. You're literally paying for the brand name logo. Don't get stuck with the big brand ripoff. Try 123 inkjets, inkjet.com, or Costco's Kirkland brand. Even Amazon Basics cartridges work perfectly. Your printer doesn't care what brand the ink is as long as it's compatible. Mistake 4 is printing single-sided everything. All you're doing is wasting paper and ink. Double-sided printing cuts your paper costs in half instantly. And most printers have a setting for this, so it's one button click that saves you hundreds. If you have a printer that doesn't have this feature, go to File, Print, and select Booklet Printing. This will automatically print double-sided for you. Mistake 5 is not maintaining your printer. So one can cost you thousands in wasted ink and supplies. If you don't clean your printer regularly, dirt and dust build up on the print heads, causing them to clog and waste ink trying to get clean prints. Fixing this is super easy and cheap. A $5 cleaning kit will save you hundreds in wasted ink alone. Just wipe down your print heads once a month, and you're good to go. These 5 mistakes are costing businesses thousands every year, but fixing them is just as easy. Check your last month's printing costs. Switch to black and white default. Try compatible cartridges next time. Enable double-sided printing. Clean your printer monthly. By fixing these 5 simple mistakes, you can cut your printing costs instantly. And the average business wastes thousands of dollars yearly on these mistakes. Don't let your business be one of them. Comment below with your biggest printing money waster, and hit like if this just saved you hundreds. In the next video, we discover the dark psychology of print, the disturbing truth behind what we read. See you next time.